Welcome back to Robin Bits and Pieces. This is just an update on the things that we've got done this summer. We went into the summer and it was rainy. Wanted to get the cement poured for this. I started in April, had it all framed out. We did not get to it till July. In fact, as soon as we poured it, we had to put plastic on it because they thought that there might be rain that evening. It's been a hot race to get this building done for fall. Looks like our fall is turning out like our spring. We went in with floods and rains. It looks like we're going out with rains. It was 90 degrees 2 days ago. It is 60 today. It's supposed to get down to 40. Like I said, we're just here to update, and I've been so busy on these big projects, I really haven't had much chance to work on fun projects. But about 3 weeks ago, I got my nesting box done, and sometimes the free things turn out the best. The nesting box, I used a piece of plywood that I had left over from another project. The base of each nesting box is made with shelves out of a locker. The front is trim work where to hold the eggs in the nest in, was salvaged from a shelf that my grandpa had made, and the top is metal that we had left over. And I think it turned out so cute, and it didn't cost me a dime. No, you don't. Morning, Goku. I'm going to give you a quick update. We moved the camper where the cement truck came through. He's kind of compressed the dirt so it makes it uneven to walk on. I got some fence panels to put up. I've got an idea for the rabbits. I wanted to show you what I thought I was going to do for the rabbits. I was going to take a fence panel and hook it to my shed, but I really don't want to cut it off because they're very expensive, and I tried to brace it up. It's not very strong through here. This snow load we get in the winter, it's not going to hold up. So I'll be on to plan B, and I'll show you what I come up with. I cleaned around the shed, got all this stuff cleaned up. My video on aging and homesteading. I'm trying to get my pathways cleared up. I have some rocks here that were supposed to be for a flower bed, but that's never happened. I moved all my tin from my camper over on this side and got them out of the way. Here was where the roof was, and I cleared off a bunch of brush. I need to finish cleaning that up, and I just wanted to give you some updates. My building is done except for the goat fence. I got my sign up finally. Butter to the left and eggs to the right. Chickens are out, and goats out, and back here there's going to be some fencing for the goats. I wanted to show you what I thought I was going to do for the rabbits. I was going to take a fence panel and hook it to my shed, but I really don't want to cut it off because they're very expensive, and I tried to brace it up. It's not very strong through here. This snow load we get in the winter, it's not going to hold up, so I'll be on to plan B, and I'll show you what I come up with. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll be back in another couple weeks to show you my solution for my rabbits for this fall.